Hi, I'm Steve from Rock Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make perfect double fried Korean fried chicken. In a bowl, add some rice wine vinegar, about 2 or 3 tablespoons, some sriracha seasoning. That's going to give it a lovely depth of flavour. Onions, chilli, there's some garlic powder, ginger powder in there, all lovely. Right then, so we've got some absolutely beautiful British chicken wings. I'm just going to take the boning knife and we're going to go straight through where the joint is to create a nice clean cut. There we go, wonderful, just like that. We'll do it again with all of them, unless of course you want to do jumbo wings, in which case, when you leave them whole, you can cut right through that joint there. That's where we want to go, for a nice clean cut. Alright, once you finish chopping up all of your chicken wings, you can then put them into your marinade. Now what that's going to do, it's going to tenderise your chicken wings, so they're going to be absolutely beautiful. It's also going to flavour them with extra depth. Right, what happens now is you cook them in the sauce. There we go. Make sure they're all well coated. Looking absolutely fantastic already. And then, simply, I'm going to cover them and leave them to marinate for about 2 hours or overnight if you've got the time. Okay, next job. I have some rice flour here. So if you wanted to make this gluten-free, you could, just by having that and then putting some rice flour into the chicken as well. I'm not going to do that today. I'm using some lovely plain white flour just from down the road. Okay, so salt goes into the flour just for extra seasoning. Just one half pinch will do the trick. And then your chicken, which you've got out of the fridge now, been in there for a couple of hours. We're going to add some add a couple of eggs. So it's 1 kilo of chicken wings, 2 eggs, or 1 per 500 grams. There we go. And some flour, just enough to evenly coat the top layer. Right, and then mix once more. And this is going to create a sort of eggy, floury glue, which you can then use to coat the chicken. Sort of a cheapest way of doing the classic penne. Really well with anything delicate. There we go. That's all we're going to coat it down. You know, nice sticky glue in this. Looking good. Now just go into the rice flour like this. Give it a nice even coat. Give it a tap. We're going to do more first then. We're going to drop them for about 4 minutes, or at least we want to see them start to float. It's only some rice in it. Set the fryer to 170 degrees. This is for the first fry. So we double fry the chicken, and that way we get the extra crispy skin. The first fry lasts around about 4 minutes. Not going to put too many pieces in there because they will overcrowd it and the temperature will go down. Just give it a good shake just to loosen them up, stop them sticking. So you can see, the oil is starting to clear, and we've got some absolutely beautiful looking fried chicken. So that's its first fry complete. Some of those onto the kitchen paper. Right. We've increased the temperature of the fryer to 175 degrees, and my chicken is going to go in for its second fry. This is the one that makes it super, super crispy. I'm going to be serving my Korean fried chicken with 2 different sauces. We've got some yellow mustard there, American style mild mustard, and some good old spicy, sweet, sticky Korean red pepper chili sauce. Right, so I'm just going to put a few pieces of double fried chicken into the sauce. Give them a really good coat. There you have it, Korean fried chicken. Absolutely